Hello and welcome to tutorslearn.com. This is Virender and welcome to your second tutorial in the CSS series. Last time we had done some work and we will start from it. Last time I taught you about the inline method of using the styling in our HTML file. Now this time I'm going to teach you how to use it in with the help of internal method. Um, okay, so first of all, remove all these colors and oh, before I do this, I need to tell you one thing that you don't have to be you don't have to save it all the time and then hit F12 so that you can go to the Google Chrome and then see your result. You can also view it into the Dreamweaver also, as here is the code view and here is the design view. You click the design view and you will see the result that you had till now rendered. So you can also zoom it out by doing 150, or you can also zoom it out to get it a 200% result. Okay, now it's getting pixelized, so let's get it to 150. Nope, 100. Yep. Okay, so you can either go to code and then you can go to check out your design, or you can also split the view and work simultaneously side by side so that you can see how you are working and what you are working on. I personally like to work in the code screen or just, and I just don't use the split view because it's better to work with a big window than the half window. And also I like to see my result in Google Chrome, though it's not necessary. So that's a bit of tip. Now let's delete this styling first so that you can apply it with the internal method. Okay, so save it and go to design view and check out. This is now a basic XHTML rendered result. And now let's type uh, type the code. So you do your internal CSS coding in your head file beneath the title tag. So write style type equals text and slash CSS and close it. Now as you can see that the whole of the text has turned to pink, and why is that? Because it's considering now all of this text to be a part of CSS file, which is not. So close the style tag, and now all of your styling will be done here. So let's write, first of all we would like to color our span tag. So do span equals um, first change the color used to be, let us give a color named green, and let's change the paragraph color to be blue. Okay, so uh, what does this code means? First of all, style type text CSS, which means that this text in between the style tags is going to be of CSS type. And if you had noticed in our meta tag, we also had here a text slash HTML, which means that all of this text, all of this text is going to be um, an HTML file text. So this is under meta tag. Meta tag are basically used to tell the browser how to render, and also they used to give information about the web document and about the author. Well, meta tag is something that we will be understanding in a more detailed way in later videos, but for now just understand that meta tags are used to describe the document and to give information about it. Also it gives information how to render the results. of a web page. So now coming back to the topic, we had given it a text slash CSS style type, and now we are telling that in our web document, wherever we are using the span text any number of times, 5 times, 10 times, 12 times, any number of span text available in our HTML document, color them green, and our paragraph, color them blue. So save it and hit F12. Well, as you can see, the result is has rendered as we had expected. So that's how we use our internal structure, and you can also increase the font size if you like. For example, if you need to increase the font size, so write font size equals and whatever the pixels you need to give. So let's type 24 pixels. Always terminate that. If you don't terminate like this, if you don't terminate this, then this would not be a good structure and it could result in errors or unexpected rendered results. So do this, save it, and wait a minute, hit, yeah, now hit F12. Okay, now the CSS is big. Okay, so I think that's it for the video, and in the next video we will be learning about something called the external method of using CSS files. Thank you and have a nice day, and keep studying.